Welcome to IT Central's course on setting up your emails. In this course, we will explore different strategies and tools to help you manage your email effectively and efficiently. Email is an essential communication tool in both personal and professional settings, but it can also be overwhelming and time-consuming. With the increasing volume of email messages we receive every day, it's important to have a system in place to manage our inbox effectively and avoid getting buried in unread messages. In this course, we'll cover a range of topics related to email management, including setting up your email account. We'll explore different email providers and show you how to create an email account, configure the settings, and customize your preferences. We'll look at managing your email inbox. We'll discuss different ways to manage your email inbox, including organizing your messages, prioritizing your tasks, and using filters and rules to automate your email management. Using professional email signatures. We'll show you how to create a professional email signature that enhances your professional image and provides important contact information to your email recipients. Using email templates to save time. We'll explore different ways to use email templates to save time and streamline your email communication, making it easier to send consistent and professional messages. By the end of this course, you'll have a better understanding of how to manage your email effectively and efficiently, saving time and improving your productivity, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone who wants to improve their email management skills. This course will provide you with the practical tips and strategies to help master email management.